Welcome to this new community of custom brick homes. 2 or 3 bedroom models are available on wonderfully oversized lots. These are patio homes, meaning you own the home and ground, and your dues pay for lawn maintenance, to your door snow removal, plus trash service. Inside, the popular open concept truly maximizes your square footage to create the coveted spacious feel. A joyful sunroom is one of your potential additions, complete with French doors to give the option of privacy while enjoying this room. What a bright, cheerful place to spend your time. Access to the back patio is here too, where you can grill out on a nice evening. Another great option is an oversized living room like this one. It makes for an even more open feel and maximizes the light spilling into the living room from its large windows. Flowing easily from the living room into the kitchen, the floor plan helps keep everyone connected. Entertaining is easy here. Numerous flooring options are available throughout the house, such as the lovely waterproof hardwood laminate shown in this dining room. Beautiful granite countertops and Amish-built cabinets are part of your stunning kitchen. Several appliance packages are also available to accommodate your personal taste. Here is a close-up of your gorgeous Amish soft-close cabinetry. Kitchen options include various granite cabinetry, faucet pantry, and lighting choices. The light airy feel is complemented by a nice view of the outdoors as well. Clustered at the other end of the kitchen you'll find the pantry, garage access, and a laundry room tucked away in a quiet corner of the home. Expansive matching storage adorns the laundry area as well. An oversized, finished garage is sizable enough to open your car doors easily or even house full-sized pickups. Sharing the garage are the water heater and furnace too. Returning to the lovely entranceway, the front bedroom can also serve as a cheerful office or inviting guest room. Overlooking the covered front porch, this bedroom lets in great sunlight while enjoying the shade and protection of the porch. Two coat closets provide even more storage in the 2-bedroom model. Alternatively, the 3-bedroom model instead makes use of the extra closet as part of the middle bedroom. Stylishness is not lost on the hall bathroom, and it sports both a tub and shower plus its own linen closet. Spacious comfort is found in the master bedroom, and it provides nice privacy from the rest of the home.